Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import contacts from CSV and Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your Freshsales dashboard, and then here go ahead and click on Contacts from the left hand panel, and you'll see this option right here, Import Contacts. I want you to click on this and you choose an option. Here we'll choose CSV or Excel, click Next, and then you need to tell them what your file contains. So either it contains just contacts or contacts and accounts, right? Information about the people and their companies. So select this one. I'll hit next right here. And then we just drag and drop the file, or you can browse through your file explorer. I'll just drag and drop this one. As you can see, it is uploading. And then we just map the fields, okay? Make sure that everything is correct. The field types are set correctly as well. Make sure you map everything correctly, okay? And choose what you want to import. If you don't want this one to be imported, just toggle it off. Okay, I'll keep this in, and here we'll go ahead and put in first name. There we go, we've mapped it correctly. Then we'll click here on next, and then they'll ask you, how do you want to import the contacts? So you can either create new contacts, okay, you can create new ones and update the existing ones. If you want to skip duplicates, you can go ahead and toggle this one, and we'll assign the owner, which will be myself right here. And then you just click on import now, okay? That's all you have to do. There you go. The import has been initiated. And once it is done, okay, they'll send an email. You can just go ahead and refresh and check the status as well. And that is how to import contacts from CSV in Freshsales.